Krondys, son of Dracovian, is one of the remaining Draconov princes alongside his brother Karasai. Once he ruled the Draconov Empire until its destruction at the hands of Kragnos. After defeating the god of Earth, Krondys went into exile. With the dawn of the Age of Sigmar and the era of the Beast, he has ended his exile and leads the forces of Stormcast Eternals as the new Draconif. When the Stormcast Eternals marched off to reclaim the realms, Krondys decided to become a guardian hermit drake, watching over the younger races and protecting the outer wilds of Azure from the horrors that lurk there. In some instances, the drake even travelled to other realms. However, upon Kragnos' escape during the era of the Beast, he abandoned his exile. He called for the Seraphon to release the Draconov raised in their vessels and reunite with Karasai. Together the brothers led a host Draconov so vast it darkened Malice's glow. The pair presented themselves before Sigmar, and after a week-long council mediated by Star Drakes, they swore the Pact Draconis for the union of Stormcast and Draconov, resulting in the formation of the first Storm Drake Guard. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.